It is still freaking hot. It's hotter than it was the last time we went out, and so instead of dealing with my problems, I'm going to run away from them. Let's go. We'll be taking a bit different route today because there's construction going on in the various places on the way that I usually take. But this way actually saves fuel because we're not going up a huge mountain. So I guess that's a plus. The roads are a lot less maintained on this route, but the Suburban can take that. Ooh, that actually looks pretty good. We got a fire pit. Not that I'm, gonna use a fire pit, but it's nice to have. And we have a lovely stream, which I'm not gonna lie, I might dip my feet into. It's actually pretty nice. That's something I've done since childhood, walking barefoot on rocks and everything like that. And my brother can testify to us always going barefoot in the rock driveway. Not really that possible anymore for both of us, but fond childhood memory, right? Ouch, that was a pine cone. Look at this guy. You're really going at it. Actually, now the question is, should I cook barefoot the whole time? We'll cook barefoot, why not? See that? Turns out they're everywhere. And it turns out that they really hurt when you step on them barefoot. Did I do a little bit better this time? Well, let's find out. Grab this big old crispy guy here. That's proper fried food right there. I'm gonna quickly finish this, and then we're gonna head out for a nice, lovely evening walk. I definitely hear something up in this area. Well, no elk. I'm not going to say that I'm surprised, because I'm not. But all's not lost. We still have a walk to go on, There might be wildlife out there. There goes my phone. This is actually the place that I did the Christmas special. It snowed 1 inch, which ended up being 4 inches where I parked. And the snow drifts out here were 18 inches easily. The snow on the roads on the way back home the next day was 6 to 12 inches. And as a reminder, guess my favorite band. There's a wonderful photo print for you, if you can guess. So once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will give away a print. And I really don't care what size it is. If you have the space on your wall for a big one, I'll send you a big one. Maybe if someone does guess it, then I'll give 2 away. 1 to the guesser, and then 1 to a random sub. You have 3 hints so far. 1 is heavy metal. As a clarification, heavy metal, not other kinds of metal. They're recent. They're still currently making music. They started back in, I think, 2005, but that could be wrong. And your third hint, are they well known? Or are they some band no one's ever heard of? They've had their work done on pretty serious TV shows, and I think some movies even, maybe even a game, commercials. At 700 subs, you'll get another hint. At 900, another hint. And then at 1,000, we'll do our little reveal of what the band is and who's getting the print. Tell your friends, they might have a print in it for them. Fun fact, after work one day, I came up here, and right up there, there was an elk who had not seen me, wandering down the path there like an idiot. And he looked up, and I think I said like, "Hey bud," and he effed right off back into those trees. This place holds memories in my heart. I also came through here with my coworkers, and it was a gorgeous foggy day. We saw some elk, and of course my idiot coworkers scared them off because they don't know how to be quiet, especially when they're near each other. So that was another memory. I need to find some people who are quiet to come hike with. Okay, well, I guess that's about it. We're gonna get to the Suburban. Once again, I have to work, so I cannot stay. One day, I will be less busy and I will be able to stay the night. But for now, we just gotta enjoy the day trips while we have them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing. Get us to that 1,000 mark so I can give away a print or two. As usual, you be good while I'm gone. And I'll see you next time. Have a good week.